From IIPC Canada, a world-renowned Quranic scholar, Muhammad Shaikh, presenting the world's first color-coded Quran, Book of Allah. A valuable tool for any student of the Quran. Designed in a manner that any beginner can learn the principles of Quranic grammar quickly and easily. Every word and letter of the Quran has been color-coded for easy visual reference. And all the verses of the Quran have been put together in a pleasing font and format, along with an attached booklet in the back that provides comprehensive definitions and principles of Arabic grammar with examples. Over the years, various people have served the Quran by making it easy for others to look up and search the words of the Quran and develop a better understanding of the only book of God. There are many tools available in the world to help people read and understand the Quran. However, the color-coded Quran is the first of its kind and simple to follow, which helps people grasp the grammar of the Quran quickly and easily. In the beginning section of this book, you will find all 100 names of Allah, which have also been color-coded. But additionally, you will also come to know for the first time the 100 names of the Book of Allah collected together at the end of the book. Help us promote and bring the first color-coded Book of Allah to the world and bring people closer to God's message. We need your help to cover the cost of publishing. We are giving away the digital copy for free on our website at www.iipccanada.com, so we can print the physical book for worldwide distribution with your help. Donate generously and become helpers of Allah and help us achieve our goal. Thank you, and may God's peace and blessings be upon you.